Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my cheesy and delicious mac and cheese. This easy recipe has all the flavor and texture of its high carb pasta counterpart, but with only a little over 3 net carbs per serving. Let's get started. We won't be peeling our yellow squash for this recipe, so it's important to rinse and dry the squash before we begin. Trim the ends of 4 yellow squash. You'll need a spiralizer for this recipe, but you don't have to spend a fortune. I like this one because it's small and doesn't take up much room and fits neatly into the drawer. Spiralize each of the squash. After we've made our zoodles, spread them out on some paper towels and pat them dry. Add half of our zoodle squash to an 8 by 11 inch baking dish. Add 4 ounces of shredded cheese to the top. Now I'm using a medium cheddar here, but feel free to use any cheese you like. Layer the remaining squash on top of the cheese and set this aside. With the heat off, add some cold heavy cream to a sauce pot. Add 3 large egg yolks. Mix the egg yolks into the cream until blended. We'll season with some salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, a little onion powder, some ground nutmeg, and a little cayenne pepper. Turn the heat to medium as we mix in our spices. Stirring occasionally, let the cream come to a simmer. As soon as it begins to simmer, turn the heat off and stir in 2 ounces of cheese. Give a mix until it's melted. Add 2 more ounces and repeat. Once our cheese is fully melted into the cream, pour it slowly over our squash. Add an additional 4 ounces of cheese over the top. Cover with some aluminum foil, and bake in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Remove and uncover. Add some dry chives to the top, and bake uncovered for an additional 9 to 12 minutes. Remove and let cool for a bit before serving. There you have it, folks, my low-carb mac and cheese recipe. All the flavors of the original pasta recipe without all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.